In this tutorial, we will learn how to use jog feature and create two bends in same drawing with the help of one bending line or one sketch. See, this is simple plate and this is going to be, we will add this one sketch line, and with the help of this sketch line, you can make two bends. So let's see how to use jog feature in SolidWorks with the help of sheet metal feature. Jog feature, with the help of jog feature, you can add two bend at a time in any part of the body. Just draw a with the help of sketch. Now here we will create one sketch and we will see how to use jog feature to create two bends in sheet metal part. Now let me say this is sketch based feature. Let's say activate feature. Now it will ask you either choose plane or face. So I want to bend from here. So I will select this face. Now activate sketch line and let me draw one vertical line. Now this is going to be a bending line. So you can place according to your situation. Okay, now once you exit, it will activate jog feature. See here, let's see isometric view. Now first you have to choose a fixed part. Either any one side of the sketch you have to choose fix. I want to make bend on this face, so I will select this part fixed. Now see, once I selected, you will see there is a two bend going to create according to construction line. Now the first option is radius. Radius of this curve you can keep according to your situation. Material thickness is 2 millimeter, so 2 millimeter it's enough for this. So keep this one default. Now direction, you can change direction. Keep end condition blind, or if any other body you can use these other features. Now length, these height how much? Let's say 20. See, the height become 20. Now here dimensions position. Now first option is inside. Dimensions from inside of this plate, from inside of this plate. No, from outside of this plate to inside of this plate. The second one is inside offset. Dimensions count from inside to inside. The third one is total length. See, total length outside to outside of plate is 20 millimeter. So in most of the cases we will use this one. There is one option, fixed projection. What will happen if you uncheck this one? See, this is become shorter. So this is the actual length of this going to project here. See, this, if you are going to bend this one, you will see exact position. But here I want to see up to here. Okay. The next option is jog position. Now center line. Now see, bending going to happen at center of line. Now let's say bend inside. See, the bending is simply inside of this line. Let me show. See, here is bending line. Now bending, now here material thickness outside. If I choose, see, this arrow shows bending line. So material is just outside of this bending line. See here. The last one is bend outside. See, the total bend going to take from the line, it's outside. Now angle between this wall and this face. Let's say 60, and see, this is going to happen. Say okay. So this is how you can create a two bend with the help of jog feature in SolidWorks sheet metal. I hope you like it. Don't forget to share and like our video, and please subscribe our channel for more video and more projects in SolidWorks.